Just want to give you a little help in case you have work or can't make it online today. If you have any questions, and I'm going over the task that I gave you for this week, task for 3:30 on College Board. So this is the free response question number one. Okay, letter A. Um, so again, just going over different things that you need to know. I'm not going to give you answers, but just this will give you some help, right? So if you're looking for average rate of change, from, let's say, an interval A to B, really all you're looking for is the slope. So what you want to do is f of b minus f of a over b minus a. So that would be, hopefully that gives you a little help there for letter A. For letter B, um, it says write the equation of the tangent line. So I'll give you a couple pointers. You need a point, which really you could just plug into the function. So if you have a point at a given number, you're just plugging in f of, the original f of, say, a. Okay? If you are given and then you have to find the slope as well, a point and a slope for tangent line. Now you're going to do f prime of whatever value you're looking for. So this is to find the equation of the tangent line. And just remember point slope, y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. Or in this notation, you could even write it y minus f of a equal to f prime of a, and then it'll be x minus a. So whatever one you want to use, that should help out for that. Average value, okay, so average value, so that's like you're doing 1 over b minus a, and then you're taking the integral from a to b of whatever function we are talking about. Now in this specific problem, just because it's piecewise, you might have to break it up, okay, because you have two different intervals and functions because it's piecewise, but I'm not going to give you the answer for that. You guys could work at that, but just a little hint, you might need to do two integrals, okay? And what was D? Give me 1 second. D, okay, here we go. You're looking for absolute min. Okay, on the interval, right? So from A to B, we'll say, okay. And make sure on this one, couple things have to happen first. All right. Oh, well, here, must there be a value at x that obtains the absolute min? All right, so they're just asking, is there? All right, let me erase this. Okay. They're saying must there be an absolute minimum on the interval a to b, right? So this, you want to just check a couple things. Is the function continuous? And that's all I'll give you for that one, okay? All right, on the second question, the second free response on this task. Okay, so in the first one, you're given a table, okay, and you want to find the derivative at a given value. So you're doing like g prime of some value a. Now this is just going to be an estimate. So use values around the value they're looking for, x equals a, right? And you're looking for the slope, okay? So you're trying to find the slope. So that's the hint I'll give you there. On the next one, they want you to write an integral expression that totals the amount of grain in the silo. Okay, so here you're just setting up your integral a to b of whatever function they're giving you, right? G of x dx. Okay, in this case, it might be a different, variable here, but you just want to set that up, and then you're using the table and write Riemann sum to approximate the amount. Okay, for C, now here they give you a new function. Okay, so a new function is given, and it's like w of x or w of t, right? And what they want to know is if this is what's spilling out. Okay, this is spilling out. And then you're going to use what you get here with what you get here, right, to find amount at a given time at x equals, we'll say b, because it's a new time. All right, so I'll give you, if you have any questions on that, I'll let you know, you can hop on. But again, it's integrals here for both B and C. And then letter D, okay, just to give you a heads up. So letter D, you're using the function here. And what you want to do is think about taking the derivative of the integral, right? So you're taking, actually, in this one, you don't even have to worry about that so much. Just think, because they're asking, is it increasing or decreasing the amount of grain in the silo at a given time? Let's say x equals c. All you really have to do is use the values that are given. So you had g, right? G was the function of the amount that's going in. W is the amount of, like, the rate. No, let me write it this way. Okay, so this is the rate in, and this is the rate out. So use those two to figure out if it is increasing or decreasing at that value. Those are my hints. I don't want to give you too much. I want you guys to try this on your own, and then remember, just send a picture, or you could upload it onto the College Board itself. All right, guys, thank you.